As we wrap up 2024, we can't help but reflect on what an incredible year it's been. It hasn't just been a year of growth. It's been a year of milestones, breakthroughs, and bold moves that have helped us to define our journey. Let's take a look back at some of the highlights of 2024, which made our year here at Bayti Real Estate unforgettable. In March, we celebrated our first anniversary in business, a milestone that marked just the beginning of our journey. From a small team of 3, we've grown to 15 strong and continue to expand. Our team has been thriving, with individuals stepping up, building their own teams, and reaching new heights. We achieved our biggest individual transaction to date and celebrated a number of agents smashing their own records. We took bold steps into new territory, venturing into commercial real estate and expanding into Abu Dhabi to meet the demands of its growing market. Along the way, we formed a strategic partnership with the Dubai Land Department, solidifying our position in the industry. This year also saw us break a record with a commercial transaction that earned us features on Dubai Eye's Business Breakfast and other local news outlets. We launched our own podcast to share insights on Dubai's dynamic real estate market, and of course, our office fit-out was completed this year too. As a company, we've grown, evolved, and attracted exciting opportunities and clients that keep inspiring us to push boundaries. We're truly excited for 2025 and the exciting journey ahead.